This session is intended for internal users that are adding documents to iBeam's Property Controlled Documents record. There is one such record per community that every property control document will be added to manually. While all Avalon Bay associates have access to add records, this session will walk through an example for either a development or construction admin. PC documents are added within the Community tab. To find the Community tab, we'll click the plus mark and enter the community name. Make sure you're going to the actual community itself as opposed to a project. A project will have a suffix such as NC for new construction or RD for redevelopment. Here on the Community tab, we'll navigate down to Property Control and then Property Control Docs. There is already a record here awaiting your addition. Every community will have one record already set up, as opposed to the need to click New and add another record. This is a little different from most records that we see in iBeam, so it's worth repeating. You will not be clicking New and creating a new record for every document you'd like to add. Rather, you'll open the existing record and add all of your documents within that one record. So all PC documents will be in the Property Control Docs record. When you click in, you might find that there aren't any documents, or you might find that there are already some included. Let's take a look at how to add a document. First, click on Edit. At the bottom of the record, you'll find the Add button. If for any reason you don't see the Add button, you can just minimize and remaximize your screen. Once you click Add, a new window opens. The first thing we'll do is click on Attachment to pull in our attachment. Click Add Attachment, My Computer. From here, you can navigate to wherever you've stored the document. We've pulled in the purchase and sale document. We can add a short description, provide the category, and then the subcategory. If there isn't an actual subcategory, choose Other, which would be synonymous with NA in this instance. If there's an expiration date, you can go ahead and enter that, and then you're able to add any necessary comments. Next, we'll enter the document year. Now in this one, the document year is in the title. If it's not in the title, you might need to research within the document to find the document year. If there is no year listed within the document or the title, just choose this year. Now we need to tell the system whether or not we want this document to appear on a closeout dashboard. You can only select one option. For our purposes, we'll say we want this to show on the development dashboard. Once you've answered all of the necessary questions, keeping in mind the fields with a red asterisk are mandatory, click OK. And now you can see our document here. We'll repeat this process to add any additional documents. Notice when you click Add that all of these fields that we fill out will ultimately appear here in the lower line items. When you're done adding documents, you can simply click on Finish Editing. You can always come back and add more or make adjustments later if needed. Back in the record, to make any additions or edits, we'll click on Edit. And now you have the ability to go in and adjust any of the line items. Simply double-click, make your adjustments, and click OK. You may also remove line items if necessary by highlighting and clicking Remove. When you're done, be sure that you click the Finish Editing button. This is important because if you do not click Finish Editing, no one else will be able to see your updates. For assistance, please either refer to the written instructions or contact the helpline at either extension 3000 or 866-864-3470.